friends, welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane. Tracy here in case you're new. I am so glad you stopped in to craft with us because this is part 6 of a 7-part series where we are DIY crafting all things spring. Yep, we've pushed winter right out of the way and we've headed full steam right into spring. Now, if you missed part 1 through 5, I'll have those linked in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started with part 6.
The supplies we'll need for this DIY are a tumbling tower game from the Dollar Tree along with some wood glue. Now we're going to be using 36 pieces of our tumbling tower game, and the great thing is it comes with 72, so we'll be able to get 2 projects from one box. We start the project by gluing 2 sets of 4 tumbling tower blocks together. Along with 2 sets of 3 tumbling tower blocks and 6 sets of 2 tumbling tower blocks. And you'll have 10 single pieces. Now that we have all of our pieces glued together, we're going to start building our project. And we start with the larger pieces first and then continue building. Once we have our larger pieces laid down, we'll then come in and fill in with our single pieces. Hey, if you're new to the channel or you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do so because we would love to have you as a craft friend here at Sweet Bay Lane. And once we have that done, we're just going to glue all the pieces together. I then finished up with the side pieces of my cross, making sure they measured an inch out from the 2 blocks they were in between. And to help my cross keep its shape while it was drying, I added these single tumbling tower blocks as spacers. And once your piece is dried, you're left with this beautiful cross. Now you can do whatever you prefer. You can stain it or paint it all one color. I'm going to paint mine sort of like a patchwork design with a variety of nature-inspired colors. Now I chose to put my cross together before I painted, but you could actually paint each individual block and then glue your piece together if you wish to do so. And you could leave it just like this, but I wanted to come in and give mine a little bit of distressing. I love how that distressing came out. And once we're done with our distressing, we're going to add a couple layers of a matte clear enamel by Rust-Oleum. I love how the clear enamel really defines the levels of distressing and makes the colors pop. Now, for this next step, I'm going to be adding a wood word cutout that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I chose the word risen, and I'm going to attach it with some hot glue to the center of my cross. I love how this turned out, and it's going to make the perfect gift for my friend. Hey, thank you so much for watching. And like I said, if you want to watch the rest of the series, I'll have that linked in the description box below. Well, until next time, keep it crafty.